Long before highways and GPS, there was a road older than empires, stretching far across Asia. More than 2,500 years ago, this road connected kingdoms and cultures from Kabul to Calcutta. Its original name, Uttarapatha, the northern route of ancient Indian civilizations. During the Mauryan Empire, Emperor Ashoka turned this road into the main artery of his kingdom. It was not just a road, it was the lifeline for trade, pilgrims, and armies. Centuries later, Afghan ruler Sher Shah Suri rebuilt it and named it the Grand Trunk Road. His dream, a magnificent highway that could connect continents and make South Asia easily accessible. Along the way, Sher Shah built caravanserai, inns for travelers at every 20 kilometers. From emperors to peasants, poets to warriors, all walked the GT road. It became the backbone of empires, carrying soldiers, gold, and secret messages. Mughals turned it into a royal highway, shaded by trees, dotted with mile markers. Akbar, the great Mughal emperor, ordered detailed maps and watchposts along the road. From Lahore to Delhi, from Peshawar to Patna, this road connected hearts and hopes. But it wasn't just kings and merchants. Sufi saints also walked its dusty path. Travelers spoke of shrines, stories, and miracles that echoed along the road. Then came the British, and GT Road was modernized with railways and telegraph lines. But even under foreign rule, GT Road remained the pulse of the people. During the struggle for independence, it carried speeches, rallies, and revolutions. After partition in 1947, the road was torn apart. Yet it remained a link between divided lands. Even today, echoes of history ride every truck, every step, every turn on GT Road. From Peshawar's ancient gates to Lahore's royal roads, it's a journey through time. It's not just a highway, it's a living museum, paved with memory and myth. Every milestone is a witness of glory, of grief, of generations gone by. At night, truck drivers say they feel the presence of those who came before. They speak of shadows, whispers, legends buried in the dust of GT Road. GT Road is not just asphalt, it's the soul of the subcontinent, still beating. It has seen emperors rise, empires fall, and nations born. all on the same path. And somewhere, in the rhythm of wheels and wind, the road still tells its story. This is a river of time, still flowing, still alive. This is Grand Trunk Road.